you feel fulfilled.
The process puts a human touch on modern day technology.
Power up, prepare for your journey, and blast off from heat and dust.
Hey there, and welcome back to the Shopping Channel. We're joined today by Nathan Warner, product manager at Bak USA, a company that builds mobile computers in Buffalo, New York. Thanks so much for joining us, Nate.
Thanks for stopping by, Carly. Welcome to our product workshop. We manufacture laptops and rugged tablets right here in downtown Buffalo, New York, right over my shoulder.
So, building computers in the United States, that's pretty cool. But you're here today to talk to us about the Seal tablet. Tell me more about the Seal.
Yeah, the Seal's first and foremost, it's rugged. It's designed to resist water, dirt, dust, mud, pretty much anything you can throw at it. It's got a hard rubber casing, it's got sealed ports for extra protection, and a tough Gorilla Glass screen.
So, I'm not often using my computer in water or in mud, but what you're saying is that the Seal's tough enough that if I drop it, it's not going to break like my phone would?
No.
Well, the Seal looks just fine, but the floor's a little worse for the wear. But you're telling me that the Seal isn't really meant for me. It's primarily meant for workers. Is that right?
Yeah, the Seal's designed for tough environments. So think about manufacturing facilities, warehouses, emergency first responders, commercial fishermen. Those are the places where the Seal is every single day.
So the Seal is a strong device, but we were talking earlier about how smart the Seal is. Tell the people at home a little bit about what you mean by that.
Yeah, sure. I can rattle off some tech specs. The Seal has an Intel quad-core processor, so it runs fast and smooth. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, so you can multitask with whatever you're doing. 128 gigabytes internal storage means you can safely and securely store your critical data, information, files, photos. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, optional 4G LTE coverage, means you can go, on the road, online, pretty much anywhere on Earth.
So the Seal has the tools and the functionality I need to get my job done. It can work in all kinds of environments. It's durable, so it's going to last me a long time. And it has the connectivity that I can work on the road and send information back to the office. That's great. So you have some accessories here on the table. Tell me more about the accessories and the services that Bak USA can provide.
Yeah, sure. I mean, the accessories and services are what allow you to adapt the Seal to your environment, even when your environment changes. So here you're seeing a portable keyboard, a shoulder strap, back here a vehicle mount if you want to mount it into a car, into a commercial truck, onto a forklift. These are the things that allow the Seal to be successful as it moves from one environment to the next rapidly. Beyond that, we have an in-house customer experience team that's always here to help, and a standard rock-solid 2-year manufacturer's warranty that shows that we believe in our device and we stand behind it.
Well, that all sounds great, Nate. Now, I don't know a ton about rugged computers, but I've always heard that they're really expensive. $1,000, $2,000 or more. How much would the Seal set me back?
Yeah, sure. Your Seal right here starts at $699, and it's built to order.
Wow, $699. So I'm seeing our phone lines lighting up. I want to thank Nate for joining us today. If you want to learn more about the Seal Rugged Tablet, you can visit bakusa.com. That's BAKUSA.com. Thanks so much for stopping by.